Today's recipe, Tuscan chicken, a recipe that I had learned several years back while I was heading a restaurant kitchen. Well, for the uninitiated, Tuscan chicken is a creamy delicacy from the region called Tuscany in Italy. It has got lots of spinach, lots of mushroom, chili flakes, onions, well, a whole galore of a lot of wonderful things, beginning with salted butter. Because I was working in a restaurant, this is kind of a commercial recipe, but trust me, flavor-wise, it's bang on. You can eat it just like that. You can have it with steamed rice, parsley rice, spaghetti, aglio olio. There's a whole wild world. You can also eat it all by itself. For this recipe categorically, I've used cubes of chicken or diced chicken. You can also use slices of chicken or escalopes of chicken and make a wonderful main course out of this all by itself. Now this is boneless breast, lean fat. While the butter is still kind of beginning to melt and the chicken is just kind of beginning to change its color, I'm going to add in button mushrooms. With this, I'm also adding in white onions. Time to add in some chili flakes. Well, not really too much, but just to kind of spike the recipe slightly. And along with this, flakes of fresh garlic. The whole idea of this recipe is to make a wonderful, silken, smooth, creamy stew. Of course, that can go as an accompaniment for several things. Time to add in salt. Well, this recipe also uses Parmesan cheese. Well, I'm not using Parmesan in this recipe because I understand in some homes it's unavailable. Give this a quick mix and add in some sun-dried tomatoes. Let's add in dairy cream. And along with this, I'm also going to add in some spinach. One quick stir. Our chicken is done and ready, mushrooms are done, spinach is done. And you know what? Tuscan chicken is done and ready. Let's serve this. You can also add in a generous sparkling of Parmesan cheese. And you know what? Impress your family. Bye for now.